Asha Gen P and Seshas on the beat. We have chosen to address you about this critical situation we are facing. Lives of some young innocent girls are being altered and disturbed. Our prayers have not been answered.
Swana ngathi ngibuya mvele esikolweni ngathola umama uhlezi esofeni wathi ya mntanami hlala phansi vele esikhulumi sudlala lama mayina umntaka makhelwane ngathi ya ma angikwazi ikhuluma ngani wayesesithi mntanami ngafuka ungenza isithuthi mina lapha ngizama ukusiza wena ngathi ya ma benthandana naye emalangeni but okwakathesa sisakhuluma mama wathi manje ijesi yakho idingani kuwe ngasesithi ma ngahlangana naye emalangeni wathi bhuti ngiyagodola ngicela unike ijesi ngamnika njengomuntu kade ngimthanda ngathi ebuye naye efensini umama wathi manje mntwana sakwazi ngenzeni amakhelwane mina bazombona njani estaradeni lapho engihamba khona sebehamba bekhuluma ngama ngikwazi ngenzeni mama umuntu wenyama nyawenza amaphutha bengicela lingixolele ngeze ngiphinde ngenze futhi mama wathi mntwana manje ijesi sebeyibambe njenge-evidence umama ubuye ekuseni egafa ubhova ethi umntwana asafuna umbona edladleni asakwazi ngenzeni senzaba lo mfazi edladleni manje sokuzamele ntshiye isikolo ndinga imali ukuze umntwana elale edlile sakwazi ngenzeni my future siphelile konke sokushabalela sakwazi ngenzeni Asha yazi mayina leli inkhostile man big time alinkhostile man this is not fair umntwana ebengela siso udingani ngikhaya vele uzoyenzani vele le ndaba yimphathi blind ngcono ngikhiphele mayikhi ozanzonda fere angila next anginayo inkinga umthwalo uyansinda lo ansakwazi ngenzeni angisakhona ukuphila kanje angani ngizobhora ngifila kanje khona manje angani this is the same pain umdala wayizayo on the cross life is blank I feel like I'm on the crossroads angisakhona ukuphila kanje i-content pain ngabhala le track themba mina weqhamanga ngikhipha ivaril ama-fakes cause now uyakwazi there is always light at the end of the tunnel ntwana I hope you got the message ntwana Asha GMP cela ubatshele man ama-minus qedela big time ntwana
Hey, the original. Hey, Eric was a friend of mine I used to play with a long time ago. He was 2 years older than me though. Ekaspembis ngo Eric wabantwana ehlanyisa mamayina kungathi ngo-travel school bus ehleze ethatha abantwana kungathi papa leshisa nyama ebadla ngenyama. Hey, Eric ukhulele siva spoon emlomeni ukuba ipilot behlezi kungelakho iphupho empulweni. Daring young girls never mind behlezi ngimkhuza but esitshela ukuthi blind. Hey, ehlezi ehlekethe ichilise encane hiye babayo manje he started dating the daughter of a pastor. The girl was so young, she was even younger than my younger sister. Ngathi ngiyazama ukumkhuza wantshelwa adinga somtester. Hey, manje the girl was a virgin, she demanded his patience, but Eric couldn't take that. Waqala ukuba headless, he started cheating, did everything to hurt the girl. Hey, manje the girl thought of giving Eric the test of his own medicine as well she started cheating with a broken heart. Hey, ugirl couldn't control herself, wagcine lalele classmate yakhe. Hey, iplan kagirl bekuthi Eric ube nguye loser yokugcineni. Waqala ukumsedusa, she wanted to have sex no Eric and Eric couldn't say no. Wathatha leyo chance man only to find out the girl was not a virgin and Eric was damn shocked after a couple of days. Hey, but bamcheka ugirl edladleni only to find out the girl was not a virgin. Bembuze what happened, ugirl waclaim ukuthi she was raped. You won't believe that age filled with anger. Yet Eric couldn't wait any longer, straight to the police station bavule rape case. You won't believe that a 14-year-old girl claim to Eric umenze the friction. Hey, Eric was 19, he slept with the underage teen. This is painful, but I need to next. Eric, mwinza yami uyacava yabona imthanda zami izahlezi lawe bra wami maphutha enzeka ikhesi yaye court manje Eric sehluleka usidefenda ngathi ngumfundi wangena exam engabalanga seqwala kungayikhanda lo mntwana uyakwazi ukupretenda tears on the eyes bonke abantu sebemzwela quickly Eric was found guilty bamgweba 18 years mothi wabheka uEric benhlezi ngimkhuza ngimsethi ngalo mkhuba abazali bakubazamluza but a break esitshela ukuthi ena yibhoza but today is behind bars sesibona ukuba yiloser Asha Gen P khulumela abadala labancane